Chocolate makes me happy by Unique Luxury. Let's check it out. Cool down. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'd like to share the unboxing and review of Chocolate Makes Me Happy by Unique Luxury, which is one of my favorite perfumes from this house, since it's the only chocolate fragrance that I know that works perfect for summer. Chocolate Makes Me Happy was launched in 2019 and is a unisex fragrance. The top notes are cocoa, pod, lavender, dark chocolate, tangerine, and grapefruit. The hard notes are benzoin, ginger, cinnamon, labdanum, and Lebanon incense. The base notes are cocoa, pod, amber, caramel, vetiver, sandalwood, and musk. And the result of all this is a fragrance in which the smell of chocolate stands out, but it doesn't feel sweet or tending to gourmet, but rather the mix of lavender and the citrus present in this composition makes it a fresh and a very unique fragrance. Perfect for use during the day, especially on warm and hot climates. Its concentration is perfume extract. It lasts for more than 10 hours and its projection is high. This is a fragrance that can be used for formal and semi-formal occasions, and its value ranges between $200 and $250. I really hope you have the opportunity to try this amazing fragrance from Unique Luxury. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of this exciting fragrance. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Let us know your comments on the section below. I'll see you next time with more exciting videos. Bye bye everyone. Have a good day.